سورة البلد.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بهذا البلد.
I swear by this city.
وأنت حل بهذا البلد.
And you are free in this city.
ووالد وما ولد.
And the begetter and that which he begot.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد.
Verily, we have created man in toil.
أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد.
Does he think that none can overcome him?
يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا.
He says, I have wasted wealth in abundance.
أيحسب أن لم يره أحد.
Does he think that none sees him?
ألم نجعل له عينين.
Have we not made for him 2 eyes?
ولسانا وشفتين.
And a tongue and 2 lips?
وهديناه النجدين.
And shown him the 2 ways.
فلاقتحم العقبة.
But he has not attempted to pass on the path that is steep.
وما أدراك ما العقبة.
And what will make you know the path that is steep?
فك رقبة.
It is freeing a slave.
أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة.
Or giving food in a day of hunger.
يتيما ذا مقربة.
To an orphan near of kin.
أو مسكينا ذا متربة.
Or to a needy person cleaving to dust.
ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة.
Then he became one of those who believed and recommended one another to perseverance and patience, and also recommended one another to pity and compassion.
أولئك أصحاب الميمنة.
They are those on the right hand.
والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة.
But those who disbelieved in our proofs and verses, they are those on the left hand.
عليهم نار مؤصدة.
The fire will be shut over them.